Good morning, this is Data Explorers and I'm Jessica Johnson. It is thought that Australia will follow Britain on lifting its ban on short selling. An article in the Australian yesterday has said that if one assumes ASIC boss Tony Deloisier to be a logical fellow, then come January the 27th, the ban on short selling of financial stocks will be lifted. Moreover, back in the UK, the FSA has said that both economic and empirical studies support the view that short selling is a legitimate investment technique in normal market conditions. The Wall Street Journal has said the deepening labour market downturn in the US has cost 500,000 Americans their jobs last month, and it is even swelling from the shop floor to the boardroom, with CEOs including Seagate, Tyson Foods, Borders Group, Orbitz Worldwide, Chico's FAS and Bebe Stores all firing their CEOs. Tyson Foods has seen a rise in the percentage of its shares outstanding on loan from 2% in July 2008 to 8% now. Utilisation has also risen from 10% in mid-November to 25% now. The company's share price has recently rebounded from $4 to $8 between now and December, but prior to this it fell from $9 in August 2008 to the $4 December figure. In the UK, food producers reported robust figures despite the worsening economic climate. Premier Foods, the main supplier to M&S and the UK's biggest food maker, said that full-year sales were up 9%. Rival Northern Foods, up 0.4% yesterday morning, also said that it was responding well to the challenging economic environment with new value ranges. Premier Foods has 5% of its shares on loan, down from 8% in December and up from 5% in November, which is interesting in the run-up to Christmas that the short position increased. And Northern Foods has 6% of its shares on loan from 5% in September 2008. More high street ways in the UK, with Topps Tiles saying that like-for-like sales had slumped 18% after the Christmas season failed to spur consumers to spend more on home improvements. Woeful housing conditions in the UK also dented sales at Arga, as it reported that markets slowed in the year, particularly in the second half. Topps Tiles has 4% of its shares on loan, down from 9% in September, and Arga has 3%, with its share price falling from 200p in September to 50p now. Many thanks, have a great day.